In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect your Forex.com account to MetaTrader 5. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here it should bring something like this. Now from here you'll need to either log into your account or open up a new account by clicking one of these options respectively. Once you're inside of the dashboard, you'll then need to find the specific account that you want to connect to MetaTrader 5. And keep in mind that you need to choose the specific one that supports MetaTrader 5. So if you haven't created one account that supports MetaTrader 5, then you should do that. Once you do that, you'll see your login credentials to MetaTrader 5, and you'll need to write these down: the username, the password, and the server ID. From here, you'll need to go up to a new tab and click in MetaTrader5.com, and then you'll need to download MetaTrader 5 for Windows. You can also use the web terminal. This will work for the exact same thing. From here, you'll simply need to open up MetaTrader 5. And then from here, you'll simply need to go up to File up here and then open an account. And don't worry, with open account, you'll just log into your account. From here, you'll need to go up to Add New Company, like company name, and then write in Forex.com up here and click Find Your Company. Once you do that, you'll see this one right here. And here you can just click Next. And once you're inside of here, you'll need to select the Connect with an existing account. And from here, you'll need to use your username or login credentials and password for your account and the server down here with Forex.com. Once you've done that, you'll need to click Finish. And then a little bell will ring inside of MetaTrader 5. And that will say whether or not you have successfully logged in and connected your Forex.com account to MetaTrader 5. But then you can start trading using MetaTrader 5. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!